Oh my, okay. So today we will make her dream meal.
Yeah.
So, you know the videos, Milo is the judge and she will be cooking. Okay,
First, let's wash her hands.
we have to clean it.
Wash your hands before you. Laura,
Huh?
after you clean Snowy's
Yeah, I know I will
hands.
because I'm doing the snowy part and she's dirty. Okay, you have to clean yourself. You have to learn. Okay. Just to.
And if she learns how to clean herself, she'll achieve nothing in life. She'll be like this to her dog friends. I know how to clean my hands.
Okay.
I have blood.
Bro, stop lying.
Ah.
Oh, she's so cute. Okay. Now I have to clean my hands.
And you will be kitty food.
Yup, done it. She's so cute. Okay.
Wash your hands again.
Oh, I forgot.
But every time you eat something, you don't wash your hands before you touch them.
I want to touch you so bad.
Wash your hands again.
Wash my face.
This time wash your forehead. What forehead? Chin. Go wash your.
No, I'm not doing it. Okay.
Okay, anyways. What will we be making?
We will start with a drink. She loves milk. No, why are you such a big rat? Yeah, that's true. The fanciest plate we have, the bowl I mean, we have is this. Pick it. Oh my. Okay, chill. Okay. She's blocking the view. Now you're sitting on her chair.
Oh no, she take it. Okay, come on, grab it.
Grab it. It's better for me to grab it, okay? She will pour the milk and stuff.
I'll stay
to
with
the
her.
camera, please.
Go good. Get the milk.
Oh
Okay,
my
okay.
God.
I'll look at it. I'm Snowy now.
Okay, just wait. We will get the ingredients. So
She
we got the ingredients. She's getting really sad because she's bored.
and she
So
wants.
let's hurry up.
Yep.
So first, we will. Yeah, she just said put it. She pointed. Okay.
Wait, and guys,
Oh, bro.
why Mellow always
Stop
comes?
yapping.
Why Mellow comes in the end? Because when we finished the video, you did not know what happened with him.
Oh heck no. Yeah. Should I do it by myself? No. Bro, don't start. We just have a little milk.
Please, she poured. Please.
You have to wait. Look at that.
Smell it.
Just this much. Bro, I think we have to take her away.
Yeah, I'll take it.
No, let's keep her because the name is Cooking with Snowy for a reason.
It's the most important.
Yes. We will just put a little banana juice because it has sugar. When this YouTube channel hits 50 subscribers, we will make Snowy
A steak.
no.
Wagyu. The most.
No! Bro, we will make her a new YouTube channel, Snowy's Life. It will be called Snowy's Life.
But we'll still upload on this channel.
Yeah,
for
that's enough.
her cooking, but Snowy's life will also be here. So we'll manage 2 channels for
Be
Snowy.
careful, Snowy.
And after
Wait, I
that,
have to get the prime spoon. Come, you
and
have to
if
mix it.
Snowy's life blows up as well, we might make cooking with Mellow as well.
You're
That's-
doing it very slowly.
Let me see. Let me check my.
You can lick that. Okay. Snowy.
Wait, why does Mellow hate Sekino so much?
Aww.
Oh, she likes it. Good again. Good.
Hey.
I was
Don't
happy.
drink.
Okay, now what do we add?
We'll add little of water
Oh my god.
because they love water for some reason. Hey. Just
Go.
yeah, that. Okay, little more. Yup.
Yeah, that's way too much.
No, it's perfect.
Exact opposite. Snowy, aren't you gonna mix?
Snowy, I got you. Snowy,
Let's retry. He's about to throw up in happiness.
she likes it.
Yay!
Snowy.
Just rubbing.
Yup, she likes it.
Now add the freaking food.
Okay, we will add a little of the food. Yep. We'll add whatever. Rubbed. It looks actually good. That actually looks really good.
And don't worry, Mellow is still the judge this time. So,
We told them a million times.
actually, only one time.
Mm.
Eh,
I have to mix it really good because
I will slap you. I will slap you.
Come on, you try. Come.
Me?
No, not you.
Oh my god.
Try.
Try, girl. Try. If you don't like it, we'll send you to the adoption center. Yay!
Shut up. We will never do that. And I'm the owner. He's just my stupid friend.
Mellow's your stupid friend. I'm your
Shut up.
smart friend. Okay. Put him down. Give her to me. Put her down. Snowy, you wanna go down?
Wait,
Was that yes or no?
no.
It sounded like a yes or no. Come on. Snowy! Oh, she wants to eat.
Okay.
Okay, that's
I can drink that.
Okay.
Okay.
I hope Senora closes your door.
Look at that. Let's see if she likes it.
Yeah, I
Snow,
know.
Snow, you can. Yup, she likes it. It's for Judge Mello and you. So we
So
can put that in at the side. And now,
we take her down.
no,
Yeah.
we have to make the food now.
Isn't that the food?
That's the
Drink?
yes.
And what are we cooking, Snowy?
Oh,
Simmering.
I
This is
I-
Snowy. Snowy, say hi.
move.
Snowy, say hi. Say hi. Can I touch your paw?
Okay, got one fancy plate. I'll break it on his head.
And potato. And baby. And the
I know he's annoying, so don't mind.
I eat hamburger and potato every day.
Shut up.
Potato is good. Yeah.
Okay, we will get the ingredients
Yeah.
later.
Eating. Okay, we have gotten the ingredients.
Yeah, this is so far. We will get more. So we have cabbage for the hair. We will make a face.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god. We have eyes. We will get the smiley face and nose and ears later. Okay, this is before.
I need my own chair. I'm the other Snowy. I'm Snowy.
He's so
0.2.
lazy, right?
Move.
Comment below who is lazier. Ayla, Ayla, or Hashem, Hashem.
Yeah, you don't need to tell them.
Okay, we'll add this eye. And that eye, she loves grapes. Oh my. I'll show you after.
Wait, Ida,
Yeah?
can you move?
No.
Snowy wants an extension to her seat.
No.
She needs a bigger seat.
Okay, that's so far. Here. Oh my.
I am eating a hamburger and potato every day. Potato is good. Yay, vegetable is good. Yay, eating every night. Yeah. Snowy, would you like an extension?
That's good.
Snowy, here. Move. Extension. Now your seat is bigger.
Wait. Let's bring it more to
Yeah, Snowy's chair is now 2 chairs. So one of us can sit next to her sometimes. First.
Okay. That looks good.
Yeah.
Okay. And oh yeah, we have pomegranates.
Okay.
So what should we use that for?
First let's move Snowy around.
Let's use this for, I know this is weird, but pimples.
What's the smiley face?
We will see after.
You're making her pimples. You
Yeah.
could just squeeze those and they pop out like pimples. So yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, that's just like a pimple.
Wait,
So that's why. Okay. Can I have one?
yeah, we're not using that anymore.
Give me one.
Snowy, but sorry because I will pop this one in your face now. Oh, it didn't go in.
Look at her. No, she has some on her face.
Bro.
Snowy wants one?
It will stay.
She'll take another shower.
Ah!
Shit! It was in my eyes.
No more, actually. Stop funny. Don't be sad.
She's sad because of the pimple juice.
Okay, let's actually wait. Bro, he's
Let's
so
use
weird.
let's use a banana for the smiley face.
And last one.
Banana! Banana!
This is how it looks. Right now, don't judge.
Banana!
I know. Wait, let's.
Banana!
Yeah, that's way better. Let me wipe up that.
Banana!
And I hate pomegranate. I don't hate them, but I don't like them.
Banana!
Shut up! Okay. Then, yeah. This is so far.
You like banana?
No, actually, I'll put it here.
Minions like banana. Okay.
Okay.
May you move?
Um.
Okay.
Look at
Snowy's.
that. You want some?
Yummy!
You like it?
Let's pop some in your face.
Hey, you're not getting any. Okay, fine. Just one more. Stop. No?
One more pimple
Yeah, that's it.
in between the eyes.
No, have that. Ew. No. Okay,
Snowy.
so we will. What should we do? I'll just add.
La Masea.
For the highlights.
To look beautiful. Now for the smiley face.
Just wait.
Smiley face. Smiley face. Smiley face.
Okay, we will mix that up.
Come on, you're leaving.
Stop! Yeah, sorry, Snowy, I took your place.
This is the new
Let's
Snowy.
do it. Come on, Snowy.
Ah!
Okay, you don't want to?
I'm going to the toilet.
Okay, go, I don't care. Okay. So, what should we do? I know what should make the smiley face. Wait. So focused for some reason. Okay, that looks good, you know. You like it? Snowy? Okay, we have to use the ears. I think let's not use ears so you can have those, Snowy. Snowy? Actually, wait. Why am I so quiet? You're serious? We ate all of them. I'll have this and you have that. That looks nice. We separate okay. Do you like it so far? I'll show you. Hashem, I made a leaf face.
What?
I made the nose and smiley face.
Nice.
So this is the nose, this is the smiley face.
Good.
Pimples, those pomegranates, milk highlight, lettuce, hair.
He has highlights?
Yeah.
This kind of reminds me if I ever had pimples.
Okay, that looks nice.
And let's go judge it.
Right?
I think Snowy will take this and Willow will take the
I think Willow will take the lettuce. Okay, let me put it down. So I will get the judge and make sure Snowy doesn't go down, and I'll be back. So we got Mellow. Snowy can come down.
Bring her down.
Snowy. Okay, come. Oh, he's sitting. Come, Mellow.
Yep.
Hey. Just wait for Mello. Come. Eat.
I was correct. Mello would take the drink, Snowy would take the meal.
Okay, no.
No. This time we're eating way faster and we're actually not being angry at each other because we both have one thing to eat.
Yeah.
But I was correct. Mello would take the drink, Snowy would take the meal.
Cute.
Not meal, I mean. What would happen if I put my foot on the ground?
Nothing. You will be addicted to the fruits. Okay. Snowy just has the lettuce and one pomegranate and milk.
Let's bring myself back up. I think you guys are just enjoying her.
He drank all the milk and soon he will eat the dog food, I think.
We're enjoying our channel.
Yeah.
We're giving them free meals.
We will do once 3 days or 2 days, okay? The channel. Because we did it last week and it took too long.
Yeah, took us too long to go close to them.
No, you're blocking.
You bad guy. I think Mello would finish his food first.
Shall I take it? Okay, just kidding. Milo, you can.
If you think that Snowy is gonna live in hell.
Oh, they fight it! Their first fight! Milo, come. Don't be sad. Come.
Oh no.
Milo has this. And Snowy, you can have this little piece and this.
And you guys are done.
Almost. Milo's still eating.
Now get Mello's.
Get this.
And guys, don't worry. We love the dogs equally.
Yeah, I promise.
Yeah.
Hey, Snow, you ate from my hand, naughty girl. She ate from my hand when I didn't realize.
Let her eat from your hand.
Huh? Oh, she's standing up. Come on, I'll show you a trick.
I think Snowy learned how to stand up faster
she's
than
standing. She's standing. Oh, again.
Snowy learned how to stand up faster than some kids, to be honest.
She knows how to stand up when she was born. Like stand up like humans, not like not
Then she
crawling.
learned how to stand up faster than some humans.
Okay.
I mean every human.
Okay, bye. See you next time.